All right, guys, 2013 Subaru hatchback wagon. Really nice. Lowered. You don't see much of these lowered like that. It's a really cool design. I like it. Nice custom wheels. A little bit of the mountain view right there, as you guys can see. Yellow lights, all that good stuff. Anyways, what we got done on it, he brought his own glass pack, as you guys can see. It's got a converter up here, a secondary converter there, 2.25 pipe. Then he brought a cherry bomb, 24-inch long glass pack there. We put it on, took the resonator off. And like always, guys, as you can see, it's got a lot of stickers and stuff. Don't read the next sentence and all that stuff. It's pretty cool. Anyway, Subaru Outback. There'll be a link in the description for the cherry bomb, hopefully, if we can find one. That's it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, ain't too bad. What do you guys think? I like it. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 97. Not bad, not bad. I like it. All right, go ahead and back it up. Got a cool turn down on it too. I like it. It's not raspy or nothing, it's just clean. I'm gonna let you guys see that beast next. Let you guys hear on the inside. What do you guys think?